Is unemployment taxable? In this video, you will learn the truth of whether you need to pay tax on unemployment income since COVID-19 hit. You will learn how you can get out of paying unemployment taxes legally. Hello, everyone. My name is Jessica Long, and I'm an enrolled agent by the Internal Revenue Services, and I am also a financial coach. And on this channel, I help you with strategies and tips on winning with your money and winning with your taxes. So again, in this video, we're going to talk about unemployment taxes. Do you have to pay them, and how can you get out of paying them? So is unemployment taxable? So now that we're in tax season, people are asking us tax professionals, do I have to pay taxes on all this unemployment money that I have received since COVID-19? So the first thing I would say to that is, as a licensed enrolled agent, is you shouldn't wait. It's not a good idea to wait until tax season and you're sitting at the tax table to find out. Because if you do that and you're one of those people that have to pay those taxes, you can be held liable with tons of penalties, obviously, and fines for not, paying ahead of time. So you don't want to wait. On this channel, I teach you guys about financial coaching and how to win with your money and how to do tax planning. So that's something that I want to make sure that you guys in the future plan ahead of time, whether you continue to receive unemployment income or not. Kind of think ahead on these things. That's definitely one way to win with your money. So we don't want to wait until tax season. So usually unemployment benefits are taxable. So I'm going to say that again. Usually unemployment taxes are taxable. However, with COVID-19, obviously things have changed. And as of today is April 20th, 2021, when I am recording this video. So back in March, Congress has passed the American Rescue Plan. And with this plan, unemployment is not taxed up to $10,200. So I'm going to repeat that again. For money that you received in the year 2020, for tax filing purposes, unemployment benefits up to $10,200 will not be taxed. So no taxes up to $10,200 of unemployment income that you have received does not have to be taxed. You don't pay any taxes on it. So how about for married folks? The same rules apply to married people. A husband and a wife, husband $10,200, wife $10,200. It's not combined. So it's not one $10,200 per couple. It's the husband and the wife. They are allowed to receive $10,200 that it will be tax-free. So again, that applies to spouses. So if you, as an individual, or if you are married and you receive more than $10,200, then you have to pay tax on the excess. So let's say, for example, you receive $10,500 in unemployment tax during the year 2020. So the first $10,200 is not taxed. Anything over that, because remember you received $10,500, would be taxed. So pretty easy to understand there. Now let's talk about the IRS rules and regulations. I always explain to you guys the IRS rules and regulations. Now, you don't have to pay tax on $10,200. However, there's an income rule that you have to meet in order to have that first $10,500. So the rule is you have to have household income of less than $150,000. So if your household had more than $150,000 in the year 2020, all of your unemployment tax will be taxed. I'm going to say that again. It's very important. A lot of people are really, really concerned now about unemployment money and if it will be taxed. So again, if your household, the total income from last year is $150,000 or less, then $10,200 is excluded from being taxable income to you. If your income is over $150,000, then the entire, everything that you see from unemployment is taxed. Everything. So you don't get the $10,200. Everything is taxed. All $10,500, for example, would be taxed. All of it. So I hope you guys understand that. What else do I need to let you guys know is unemployment taxable when it comes to tax returns that are filed with Form 1040 NR. So the 1040 NR is the non-resident alien form. So if you file Form 1040 NR, you can't exclude any unemployment compensation for your spouse. Let's say that again. If you file Form 1040 NR, you can't exclude any unemployment compensation for your spouse. Also, your unemployment benefits are still subject, don't forget, they're still subject to state income taxes unless you work in a state with no income tax or that doesn't tax unemployment benefits at all. Also, here's the big question everybody is probably hearing this video for. How can I get out of paying these taxes legally? How can I get out of paying unemployment taxes legally? The question to that is, we're dealing with the IRS. Let's be honest. So the answer to that question is you cannot, unless you don't meet the income requirements. So if you make, remember we talked about if your household income is under $150,000, then the first $10,200 is not taxed. The unemployment income is not taxed. So that is the only way legally to get out of paying the taxes on the unemployment taxes. If your income is under that limit, the first $10,200 is not taxed. So now, what do you do if you owe unemployment tax? Let's say you waited and now you filed your taxes and now you owe. What do? So there's 3 solutions to that problem. Number 1 is when you file your taxes, you can right then and there pay your tax bill in full. It'll be done. No more issues. No more thinking about it. It's complete. Number 2 is you can, when you sign up for unemployment, you can have them to take out 10% as you are receiving the money. So a lot of folks choose to do that, which is really great because in the end, that's going to, they're going to be taking that money out as you receive it. And when tax time comes, you either won't owe them as much or either you won't owe them nothing, possibly get a refund from it. So the third solution to the problem is estimated tax payments. So as you're if you're still receiving unemployment income, you can make estimated tax payments. You can always do that as well. So the 3 things are pay upfront. When tax season is, tax season is here now, you can pay everything up front. You can have them to take out 10% from your unemployment income. That's number 2. Or number 3, you can do estimated tax payments. So another question is, I already filed my taxes. How do I get my money back? So let's say you already filed your taxes and you are on this video and you just found out, oh, okay, so I should be getting a refund. I, paid these taxes and I, didn't have to. So what can I do? So with the IRS, I am going by the IRS website right now, reading their rules and regulations to you out loud here and now. So the IRS is saying that The IRS will automatically refund money to people who already filed their tax return who have reported unemployment compensation. So again, IRS will automatically refund money to people who already filed their tax return who have reported unemployment compensation.
Okay, so hey guys, so we are on our screen. You guys are sharing my screen right now. So here we go. So this is the IRS website. This is where you can find this information as far as the $10,200 of excluding the unemployment compensation. So again, here, I'm just going to read the first sentence. You guys can go ahead and, read the rest at your own leisure. If your modified adjusted gross income is less than $150,000, the American Rescue Plan enacted on March 11, 2021 excludes from income up to $10,200 of unemployment compensation paid in the year 2020, which means you don't have to pay tax on unemployment compensation or income, whatever, of up to $10,200. And again, it talks about if you're married, each spouse receiving unemployment compensation doesn't have to pay tax on unemployment compensation up to $10,200. Amounts over $10,200 for each individual are still taxable. If your modified adjusted gross income is $150,000 or more, you can't exclude any unemployment compensation. If you file Form 1040-NR, you can't exclude any unemployment compensation for your spouse. So that's that. So you guys can always go to this website. You see the link here. Actually, I'll drop the link below this video in the description box, so you guys will be able to see it there. And then also the other IRS page that I want to show you guys was where the IRS is recalculating taxes on unemployment benefits. So they're getting ready to refund. They're going to be doing refunds starting in May to refund folks who file their taxes and were not entitled, who qualified for the $10,200 to be excluded from taxable income. So they will be doing refunds starting in May. So if you need any further help out there on the topic of is unemployment taxable, leave your questions below the video. Or if you're looking for a top-notch financial coach or need a tax professional because you need some tax help, I'm always here to help you guys. Don't hesitate to contact me at jessica@longfinancialwellness.com, or you can send me a text message. All the information will be down below in the description box. So that's our video for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.